What's up, guys? Back at the cacao farm. Right behind me there is this is a nettle tree. This is also known as a European nettle tree or a hackberry. Maybe like 50 feet tall. It's a little smaller than the other ones I was trimming the other day. You can see all these really big branches branching out to the side, so it should be a relatively nice climb, but the whole tree has to come out. It's actually growing right over there, cacao. This is all cacao right here. So this is what chocolate is made out of. Yeah, so here we are. Here's some nice pods. It's kind of like a reddish looking fruit. And then it unwinds itself right back down to you. Today I'm using a electric husky chainsaw. Generally I would do a removal from the bottom up, but I want these branches to kind of catch on other branches on the way down. There's that other cacao plants down there, so keep the cacao from getting smashed. Little swing drop. Alright, there it is. Come this way. Yeah, baby. Probably just keep some of these out here in case I want to use them as rigging points for this back section. Now what I can do is just split the end of this branch with my pole saw when I'm down there, and I'm good. You're probably wondering, where's my ground guy? I don't have one today. That's why I'm doing this. All right, let's get up this and we'll limb this whole thing out right here. Thing split off on the underside over here. Probably should have done a little cut right here. This whole piece I'm just gonna cut out from the base. Ooh, steeper than it looked. Alright, so I have my rigging strap up here on this branch because it's over another tree, so I wanted to make sure that I had a rigging strap attached to it. And then I have like a little half wrap over here, and then I have this little wrap over here, so I can just use this as my friction device up here in the tree. And I do want it to run, but I want to be able to stop it, so I'm just gonna keep this like this, and it'll have plenty of friction. It also, the rope's kind of binding up down there. So anyway, I got some friction up here. What's up?
You have a beautiful weekend, and I'll send you a text.
All right, yeah, thanks, man. Okay, you guys, I've got most of the top out already, and this piece is obviously just in the wrong spot. It's right over the top of this other tree. Natural friction device here. Hey, look at that. That works so well. There it is. Yeah. All right, you guys. Well, my GoPro is about to die. It actually keeps dying, but anyway, the tree's basically done. I cut all the, all the limbs out, limbed it all the way up. I just have this last little bit of rigging that's up here. It's just holding that that limb right there that I actually just limbed out on that side. So anyway, it's been a good day. I'm gonna go clean up the base here, and then I'll be back to take out the trunk. All right. Okay, here we go. I got this tree limbed out on that last video when I was just here by myself limbing it out, and now it's I went back up, cut the top off. Now That is some timber right there.